Hello guys, welcome to this series of shell scripting for the beginners. In previous lecture we have seen OR operator. In this lecture we will cover some arithmetic operations that can be performed on the numbers. So to perform these arithmetic operations we will use command BC, that is base calculator, and using this command we will perform all the operations. Let's see how we can perform these operations using BC command. So I will take one input n1 equals to, let's say, 10, n2 equals to 20, and here I will perform the operations. So what I will do, echo dollar n1, that is value of n1, plus dollar n2, and I will use pipe, and this output of this echo command, that is n1 plus n2, will be given to command BC. And okay, so before giving this output of echo command to BC, first see what is the behavior of echo $n1 plus $n2. I will save this and let's compile, execute. So it is giving the string as it is 10 plus 20. So it is not performing the operation, that is addition, and that's why we need to give this as input to command BC using pipe. So this pipe command is used to give the output of one command as input to another command. So output of this echo $n1 plus n2 is given as input to this BC, and it will calculate the addition. Let's see how it works. So yes, it has calculated the addition 30. Now similarly we will perform all the operations. Echo $n2 minus $n1 and pipe BC echo $n1 into $n2, and output is given to the BC command using pipes. And the last operation is echo $n2 divided by $n1, and its output will be given to BC. And let's see the result. So 10 plus 20 is 30, 20 minus 10 equals to 10, 20. So okay, what operation? Okay, we have performed n1 into n1, so 10 into 10, output is 100, and 20 divided by 10 equals to 2. So it's giving correct output using BC command. You can perform all these operations on the floating point numbers also. So let's see, I will use 10.5 instead of 10 and 20.5 instead of 20. Save and execute. It should give the correct answers. Okay, so addition is 31, correct. 10 subtraction is 10, correct. Multiplication is 110.2 and division is 1. So it is working fine for the float numbers also. So this is how we can perform the arithmetic operations using BC command. There is another command which can also be used to perform the arithmetic operations. That command is expr, and make a note that this expr command cannot be used for the floating numbers. So we have to use the pure integer numbers while using expr command. So let's see how it will work. What we will do, echo dollar $n1 plus $n2, and before this operation we will use command expr. Let's see how it's work. So the output is 30. So the first four are the calculated using bc command, and this last one is calculated using expr command. So it is working fine. So similarly, what we will do, we will perform all the operations here. So addition is done, subtraction. So here what we will do, n1 n2 minus n1 will be performed here. So here multiplication will be for n1 into n2, and division. Let's see the output. So it's giving error unexpected argument 5. So the reason is, I will tell you the reason. So again you can see 30, 10, 200 and 0. So the problem with this multiplication using expr was the escape sequence is needed when we are using this expr, and to add the escape sequence we need to add this slash before the star or the multiplication operator, and if you do not use this escape sequence then it will give the error. So here you can see, I will clear this terminal and again run the code, and here you can see. So for the last operation, so it is giving 10 divided by 20 equals to 0. So all the values are correct. So this is how we can use these arithmetic operations using, or you can perform these arithmetic operations using bc command as well as expr command. But the disadvantage of using expr command is we cannot use this expr command for the floating point numbers, while this bc command can be used for the integer as well as floating point numbers. See you in the